to Narayana Live Classes. Today our amazing assignment is chapter 3, playing with numbers. From that you can refer textbook page number 79 and you can take from textbook page number 79 from that exercise 3.3 question number 1 BD and 2B. Okay, first one, find the prime factorization of the following using factor tree method. So we have to find the prime factorization of the given numbers using which method? So we have two methods. What are that? Factor tree method and division method. Prime factorization division method. So we have to find the prime factors of the given numbers using the factor tree method. So here 20 is there. So 20 we can write 5 fours. 5 fours 20. 5 fours are 20. So here from 5 is prime number. So this 4 is composite number. This number we can write as 2 twos. Twos are 4. So what did you get? 5 into 2 into 2. So this is one way and we can write one more way 20 as we can write 2 tens are 20. How much? 2 tens are 20. So this 10 we can write as 2 fives 10. 2 fives 10. So 2 tens are 20. 10 is composite number. We have the more factors of this number. That is this 10 we can write 2 fives. 2 fives are 10. So we'll get 2 into 5. So the prime factorization, the prime factors of 20 equal to, while multiplying 2 into 5, 2 twos are 4, 4 fives are 20. We'll get the 20. So here these all numbers are prime numbers. So we are writing as the product of prime numbers of given numbers. So this method we are calling the prime factorization of the number. Now coming to next one, 24. What is that number? 24. So here 24 we can write 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. More ways we can write. So 2 12s are 24. So 2 is prime number. 2 is prime number because 2 has only two factors, 1 and its set number. Now 12 is composite number. So here 12 we can write as 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay. So now here 2 is again prime number, 6 is composite number. This 6 we can write 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So the prime factors of 24. What are the prime factors of 24? 2 into 3. Okay. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24. One more way also we have for this 24. See here we took 2 12s are 24. Okay, so we can take. So here in 25, what are the factors of 24? What are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So 2 12s we can write. Okay children. Now 3 8s we can write. 3 8s also we can write. Or 4 6 also we can write. So just I am taking one more way. 3 8s are 24. 3 is a prime number. Now 8 we can write 2 4s. 2 4s are 8. This 4 we can write 2 2s 4. Now the prime factors of the 24 is, see here 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. See 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 or this number are same. The prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So while multiplying all prime numbers, what did you get? The given number. Okay, next one. factorization of the following using division method. Just now we completed factor tree method. Now division method we have to complete. So what is the given number here? 22. So 22 we have to write the prime factorization. So for that, what is the first prime number? 2. So 22 is an even number. So we can divide as 22. How many times? 2 11s are 22. 2 11s are 22. So 11. 11 is a which number? What type of number? 11 is a prime number. 11 is divisible by in one table and 11 table only. So the prime factorization of or the prime factors of the prime factors of 22 equal to 2 into 11. 2 11s are 22. While multiplying the product of the prime numbers will get the given number. 2 11s are 22. Now coming to 30 children. So from 30, so 30 is an even number. 2 table it will be divisible. So how many times children? 2 50s are 30. So here 15. 15 is an odd number. An odd number means, so what is the next prime number? 3. So 3 is divisible by 15? Yes. How many times? 5 times. 3 5s are 15. Now here 5. 5 is prime number. So it will be divisible by 5 only. So the prime factors of 30 equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 how much? 6. 6 5s are 30. Did you get it? The same number? Yes. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. Okay children, once again practice prime factorization of factor tree method and as well as division method. Okay. Thank you.